Is about CSS layout lesson number 17, and we have completed these three parts, and now we are going to see about the absolute. So here is my browser, and here I have written the two divide elements. One is relative and one is absolute. So in my notepad, see, you can see the class attribute relative and absolute. So here instead of writing the fixed, I'm going to write the relative. Relative, we have seen about the relative example, and after position, the position will be relative, and after position I am going to cut off this bottom, and in the place width I'm going to write the 400 pixel, and I'm going to add the height also, height like 200 pixel, and after height I'm going to write the color also. So already I have written the color, so you can see. So Control S and refreshing the browser. So the divide element position relative, not fixed, but it is relative. So I'm going to change here relative. Relative is like that, and after that this will be absolute position. So absolute, and adding a divide dot, sorry, no space, divide dot absolute, adding the declaration, and after declaration I'm going to write position absolute, and after position absolute I'm going to write the top like 80 pixel. After top I'm going to write the right 0, because it will take automatic default right. So 0. After right I'm going to write the width for it, because the width I don't want the width 400 pixels, so I'll write the 200 pixel. After width I'm going to write the height like I don't want a height 200 pixels, so I'm going to write the 100 pixel of height, and border is 3 pixel, solid. So hashtag 73 AD 21, and closing the declaration. So Control S and refreshing the browser. So you can see an element with the position absolute is position relative to the nearest position, and instead of position relative to the viewport like fixed. However, if an absolute position element has no position as center, it uses the document body and move along with the page scrolling also. Note that a position element is one whose position is anything except static. But that means we can write in the relative, fixed, and absolute will be written in only relative and fixed. So this is the position absolute. So next we are going to see about the sticky. So this will be a tomorrow's notepad. So that signing off. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching our Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.